Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to map Windows entry in OpenCore boot picker. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. If you don't create an entry for your OS, eventually you'll be left with any one OS, or if you manage to get it working, it might be possible that it may not work after resetting NVRAM. For creating the entry, you'll need OpenCore package and OpenCore configurator. Now, mount your ESP with OpenCore configurator. After mounting the ESP, copy OpenShell from OpenCore package. After copying OpenShell, paste it to following path of your ESP. Now, open config.plist, and go to Miscellaneous tab, and then Tools tab. Here create the entry for OpenShell, and make sure that it's enabled. Save the plist after creating the entry. And now, rename a file at following path. After renaming the file, close all, eject ESP, and restart your Mac. Now, select UEFI shell from the picker, and press Enter key. Now, you'll need to look partition containing EFI, you'll have to check it one by one. Type the partition identifier as shown, and press Enter key. And after that type dir, to confirm that it's EFI directory. In my case, EFI directory is in FS0. If you have connected only one drive, most probably your EFI will be an FS0 partition. Now type the following to generate path table. After typing, press Enter key. And now, exit UEFI shell, and boot to Mac OS. Now, mount your ESP. Open EFI partition, and you'll see a text file in it. Open it, and copy the path address correctly. After copying the path, open config.plist, and go to Miscellaneous tab, and then Entries. In Entries tab, create a new entry, paste the path, in the path row, and with one space type following. After adding the path, under name type Windows 11. And also make sure to enable the entry. After doing the changes, remove OpenShell entry from Tools tab. And now, save the plist. After saving the plist, delete OpenShell from the Tools folder, and you're done. Windows entry is now successfully created, so let's just test it. And, successfully booted to Windows 11. Now, I'll try resetting NVRAM. And as you can see, both OS still appears in Boot Picker. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.